Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today in this session, I am going to discuss complete pair of linear equations in one shot, which are very important for annual examination. This chapter is having more weightage, that is from 10 to 11 marks we may expect in our annual examination. Before starting this, we should know minimum introduction about this chapter. Pair means two. Pair of linear equation. An equation having its highest power or a degree 1, we call it as a linear equation. But here, pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Standard form. Observe here, what is the standard form of linear equation in two variables? I have written here equation, only one equation. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a standard form of linear equation in two variables. What are the two variables? X and y are the two variables, where c is a constant, where a, b, c are real numbers and a, b cannot be equal to 0. X and y are the two variables. We say it as a linear equation. Its degree is 1. In this chapter, we are not talking about only one equation. We are talking here about two equations. So, pair of linear equations in two variables. Standard form are A. I cannot write two equations A. So we write it as A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. And another equation A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Okay. These are the two pair of linear equations in two variables. Now let us compare the ratios and how will be their solutions and whether they are consistent or inconsistent. Those all we are going to learn now. So see these two equations and let me frame the ratios. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. See here, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 are the constant numbers and these are all the numerical coefficients of x and y variables. Let me write three cases here. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Now let's compare these ratios and see three cases here. Case 1. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. We don't bother about C1 by C2. If any given two pair of linear equations, by seeing the ratio, we can say how do the algebraic representation or a graphical representation. So if these two lines are plotted in a graph sheet, how they will be? The two lines are intersecting, or you can say the lines will be intersecting lines. How do the lines will be like this and they intersect at one point. If two lines are intersecting, how many solutions they have? They have solutions. How many they will be having? Only one solution or unique solution you can say. Okay. And whether they are consistent or inconsistent, they will be consistent. Okay. Coming to your second case, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If all the ratios are equal, what happens? The two lines will be coincident. coincident lines you can observe in your graph. When you plot these two equations, you can see coincident lines. That means the two lines are overlapping on one above the other. How many solutions? There are infinitely many solutions. See, wherever they intersect, this is a solution, this is a solution. Every point is a solution. So, how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. That means the type of lines are either you may say dependent or consistent, you can say. The pair of linear equations are dependent or consistent. Next, coming to third case, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2, then the two lines will be parallel. That means parallel lines, and the lines look like this on a graph sheet. How many solutions do they have? Are these two lines intersecting at any point? No, they are not intersecting. That means there is no solution. There is no solution at all for this pair of linear equations. And what, they are consistent or inconsistent? The pair of equations, the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Okay, these, if you remember, compulsory you are going to score 1 mark. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, the lines will be intersecting and having one or unique solution, and they are consistent. And if all the ratios are equal, there will be coincident lines, and there are many solutions, infinitely many solutions. They are dependent or consistent. Coming to case 3, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Then the lines will be parallel. If they are parallel, there is no solution. If there is no solution, then the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Let me take one example and show you how to identify this. Compulsory one question will be occurred in your examination. Okay, let's see 3 examples here. Example 1, 2 and 3. Okay, observe the two pair of linear equations in two variables. Observe the numerical coefficient here, 1. a1 value is 1, a2 value is 3. Write the ratio 1 by 3. And now here b1 minus 2, b2 4. So minus 2, 4 by 4. And coming to constant, nothing there. So 0 by minus 20. See here in standard form you will be having all positive. So you need to take their negative. Observe these two. 2 ones, 2 twos. Is 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2? No. They are not equal. Therefore you write it here. 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 2. They may ask you any type of question. They may ask you how many solutions does the two equations will be having, or whether they are intersecting parallel or coincident they may ask, or whether they are consistent or inconsistent they may ask you. So now observe here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That means case 1 a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore the two lines will be intersecting and it have only one or unique solutions and they are consistent. Similarly, see the second one. a1 9, b1 minus 3, c1 12. Observe here a2 18, b2 6, c2 24. Write down a1 by a2 9 by 18, b1 by b2 minus 3 by 6, c1 by c2 12 by 24. Then this will be 9 2s are 18. Then this will be 3 2s are 6. But you can see here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Are these two equal? No, they are not equal. Therefore, what you write here? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If these two are not equal, no need of bothering about the third ratio. So, directly you can say, therefore, the pair of linear equations are intersecting and having unique solutions, and the two lines are consistent. See the third problem here. A1, 1, B1, 1, C1. So, equal to 3 there. First, you bring that 3 to the left hand side. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. And this one also bring this side. 5x plus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, after writing in this way, now write the ratios. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 by A2, 1 by 5. B1 by B2, 1 by 5. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. And here, minus 3 by minus 1. And this is not equal to C1 by C2. What is the ratio you can see? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So, which case it is? It is third case. Therefore, the two lines will be parallel. If they are parallel, there is no solution at all. If there is no solution, what you can say? Therefore, the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. In 1 mark, there is a chance of asking one more variety of question. That is, if the two pair of linear equations are parallel, find k, they will ask. What is that? If the pair of linear equations are parallel, find k. They have given these two pair of linear equations are parallel. Find k. Parallel means what is the ratio you remember? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Where is k? K is at B1 position. So these two ratios we are going to equate. Identify A1, A1 3, B1 2k, C1 minus 2. A2 2, B2 5, C2 1. Substitute now. 3 by 2 is equal to 2k by 5. Now these two cross multiply. 5 3s are 15 is equal to 2 2s are 4k. 4k is equal to 15. K is equal to 4 is a multiple, send other side. 15 by 4. So we cannot divide, therefore k value is 15 by 4. That is only our answer. Any two pair of linear equations in two variables will be given, and they ask you whether the two equations are consistent or inconsistent. If the ratio is A1 by A2, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then what is the graphical representation? The two lines will be intersecting. Okay, these type of questions will be asked for 1 mark. 1 mark, they may ask two questions. That means 2 into 1, 2 marks. Coming to 2 marks, they will give you pair of two linear equations in two variables, and those two equations we need to simplify. Actually, we have three algebraic methods to solve the equations. That is, first one substitution method, second one elimination method, and the third one cross multiplication method. This year, the two methods substitution and cross multiplication was deleted, and we are going to deal with only elimination method. I have collected these three questions now. We are going to solve by using elimination method. First one, 3x plus 5y is equal to 4 and x minus 5y is equal to 8. Observe here carefully. 5y same, and signs are different. Signs are different. What you are going to do? Directly you can add the two equations. Rewrite again equations and say add equation 1 and equation 2. If you add, there is no need of changing any sign. Directly cancel. Plus 5y minus 5y will be cancelled. 3x plus x will be 4x. And 4 plus 8 will be 12. This 4, send other side. X is equal to 12 by 4. 4 3s are 12. x is equal to 3. Now this x value substitute in any one of the equation. Already y value was eliminated and we got x value. Now substitute this x value in any one of the equation and get y value. Substitute in first equation, 3x plus 5y is equal to 4. Mark it 1 and 2. 3 into 3 plus 5y is equal to 4. 3 3s are 9. This 9 send other side. 5y is equal to 4 plus 9 if it goes other side. Minus 9. 5y is equal to 4 minus 9 minus 5. Y is equal to 5 is a multiple. Send other side it will be divided. 5 ones are 5. Y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1 is your solution. You can check your answer whether it is right or wrong. See here, x value 3, y value minus 1. Substitute in any one of the equation. 3 3s are 9. 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5. 9 minus 5 will be 4. Yes, it is correct. Let's go to the second one, elimination method. 2x plus y is equal to 8, x plus 2y is equal to 7. Observe the two equations, 2x and x. It's not same. Y, 2y, not same. So, any one of the variable you need to eliminate. So, you decide which variable you want to eliminate. You can eliminate any variable of your choice. Suppose if I want to eliminate x, what I should do for this equation, I need to multiply 2. Mark it 1 and mark it 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2. Multiply this equation by 2. Multiply this 2x plus 2 2s are 4y, 7 2s are 14. Okay, now take the first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 8. Observe these two are positive. These two are positive means you cannot cancel. Therefore, subtract these two equations. When you subtract, sign will be changed. 2x minus 2x, 4y minus y will be 3y, 14 minus 8 will be 6. 3y, 3 is a multiple, send other side it will be divided. 3 2s are 6, y is equal to 2. Now this y value substitute in any one of the equation and find x value. 2x plus y is equal to 8. Substitute y value, 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 are the solutions of these two pair of linear equations. So like this, any two equations if they have given, this is only the method we solve and write here by elimination method. Okay, next variety of 2 marks question you may have a chance. The pair of two linear equations having many solutions, find the value of k. So this type of questions have to proceed. Many solutions, what you remember? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If they are having many solutions, the lines may be coincident. Okay, if they are coincident, you can equate all the ratios. Given, what is that? Given the lines are coincident, that means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. K is equal to question mark. Okay, so I just do little shortcut here. Try to understand. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Substitute here. A1, K, A2, 12 equal to B1, 3, B2, K equal to C1 minus of K minus 3, C2 minus K. Minus cancel. Okay. So now you can take any one pair or both the pairs also you can equate your wish. So let me equate these two equations. K by 12 is equal to 3 by K. Cross multiply K into K. k square, 12 threes are 36. K square 36, k is equal to square root of 36, k is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, k value is how much? Plus or minus 6. What did they ask? They asked us to find k value. You can equate these two or these two. If you want, you can equate these two also. You got k value already. Then no need of equating other pair. If you want to check, you can check by equating. If you equate these two also, you are going to get the same k value. You can stop it there. Okay, therefore k is equal to plus or minus 6. With that, 2 mark variety is also completed. Coming to 3 marks, let's take one problem here. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2. If we add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? So, fraction we need. So, let us assume a fraction as, let us assume x by y is a fraction. We need to find x by y. First step again, if we add 1 to the numerator, let me start with the first case. Numerator 1 I need to add. And subtract 1 from the denominator. So, in y you subtract 1. A fraction reduces to 1. Understand here? 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted to the denominator. It reduces to 1. First case is ready. So, read the second one. It becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2. If we add 1 to the denominator, what is the fraction? X by y. Only denominator I am talking here. Add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? This is your second case. So simplify this and get into a pair of linear equation in 2 variables, and then simplification will be very easy. Now look here, cross multiply. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. Bring this side. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. X minus y, 1 plus 1 will be 2 equal to 0 is your first equation. And coming to your next one, again cross multiply. 2 into x will be 2x is equal to 1 into y plus 1 will be y plus 1. Bring this side. 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Mark this as second equation. Same manner, we just simplify these two equations and find the fraction. Observe here, x, 2x, y there, both are having same sign. So what we do here? Subtract 1 minus 2. X minus y plus 2 equal to 0. And 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. When you subtract, what happens? Change the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Okay. Now, x minus 2x will be minus x. Minus y plus y will be cancelled. 2 plus 1 will be 3 equal to 0. Minus x and other side, x is equal to 3 is your answer. If x is equal to 3, this x value substitute in any one of the equation. Let me substitute in this. 2 into 3 minus y minus 1 equal to 0. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to y. Minus y send to the side plus y. 6 minus 1 will be 5. Y is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Is this finished? No, we need to find the fraction. Therefore, the fraction is 3 by 5. Understand this verbal problem. Understanding the problem and framing equations only difficult. After framing equation, simplification will be very easy. In this 3 marks, we can expect 3 to 4 variety of problems. That will be, one is fraction, age problem it may be. That is, so his brother's age is 3 more than his sister age, 5 years before, 3 years after. They will be asking that type of questions. And one more will be 2-digit number problem. Digits, 2-digit numbers problem. Digits are interchanged. Like that, they may ask you any problem. First, understand the problem carefully, frame the equations. And coming to one more variety, area of a rectangle. In area problem, area of a rectangle, they will say length is 5 more than the breadth and its area is 50. 50 square units they will give you. So we need to assume length and breadth, then frame the equations. And one more variety, boat. Boat upstream, downstream, and it takes so and so time. What is the distance covered? They may ask you these 4-5 varieties. So coming to 3 marks, you have a chance of asking either in the form of a fraction or an age problem or a digit problem or area or boat or a train or a bus, traveled distance, speed, so and so. And another variety of problem, marks. And then income or a salary. Prasad's salary is more than Geeta's salary 3 times. Like this, they may give you any other questions. So verbal problem we cannot guess, but maybe the part of these varieties. Like this, any type of one question will be there for 3 marks compulsory. So understand the question carefully and frame the equations, solve the equations by elimination methods. Coming to 4 marks, one question is compulsory and that question will be from pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Any 2 equations will be given. You need to solve them graphically. I'm going to solve one problem and you are going to solve 4 problems. So let's see the first question. Solve graphically. First one, 3x plus 2y equal to 0, x plus 3y equal to 7. First, observe the ratio here. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. 3 by 1, 2 by 3. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, the 2 lines will be intersecting in graph. If they are intersecting, you understand that it will be having one solution. Observe here, therefore the 2 lines will be intersecting at one point means it will be having one solution. Suppose if your ratios will be parallel or constant, you can take any values in your table. When it is intersecting, you choose for an option, guessing the answer. First, see the 2 equations in your rough column in your answer sheet or just solve these 2 equations by using elimination method and find x and y value. Quickly, let's see here. I'm going to find out here. Let me do the rough work and then I'm going to clean. 3x plus 2y equal to 0. I want to eliminate x, so I'll multiply 3 for whole equation. 3x plus 9y is equal to 21. Subtract now these 2 equations. 2 minus y will be minus 7y is equal to minus 21. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 21 by 7, that is 3. Y is equal to 3. Okay, now this y value substitute in any one of the equation. I'll substitute here. X plus 3 into 3 is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. 3 3s are 9. Send other side, minus 9. X is equal to minus 2. So the main thing you need to remember here is x and y value. X, y is equal to minus 2, 3. What is this? In graph, the 2 lines are going to intersect at a point minus 2, 3. Okay, without doing anything graphically, we have guessed the answer by solving the equations in elimination method. Now, let me start my problem graphically. That is only rough work, right? I need only minus 2, 3. And in this also only this one enough, minus 2 enough. Okay, so now let me take the first equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. Rewrite the equation in the form of y format. 2y is equal to minus 3x and y is equal to minus 3x by 2. Okay, same manner, other equation, x plus 3y is equal to 7. 3y is equal to 7 minus x and y is equal to 7 minus x by 3. Okay, now take a tabular column. 1, 2, 3 rows and here 4 columns. X, y, x comma y, and now it is very important. So what is the value we got roughly? X value is minus 2. That is enough. So let me put minus 2 in middle of the box. And here also take a table with 3 rows and 4 columns. Yeah, Vish, you can take as many you want. X, y, x comma y. When the lines are intersecting, we need exact coordinate where intersect. Okay, other coordinates if we take, sometimes the lines may not intersect. But we need the solution in examination, right? So for that reason, we need to guess like this and take that only x value. Now, minus 2 before any number you take. Let me take minus 3. And minus 2 after any number 0 I will take. Minus 2 before, let me take minus 3 and same manner 0. Same, no need of taking, no need of by hearting, any numbers you can take. Now, if x is equal to minus 3, take the equation y is equal to minus 3x by 2. Substitute x value here, minus 3 into minus 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2. 2 4s are 8.5. So, no problem. Decimal also nothing will happen. Write the coordinate minus 3 comma 4.5. Okay. Next one. If x is equal to minus 2. Substitute x value here. Y is equal to minus 3 into minus 2 by 2. Minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6, 6 by 2 will be 3. Is it same? Yes. So write here 3 and coordinate minus 2 comma 3. And the next one, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3 into 0 by 2, 0 by 2 will be 0. Okay, 0 comma 0 you can write. Next one, same manner, go to the next equation table. If x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to, what is equation? 7 minus x by 3. In x place substitute minus 3, minus of minus 3 by 3. Minus into minus plus, 7 plus 3 will be 10, 10 by 3. If you cancel, 3 3s are 9.10, 3.3 it's enough. So that will be minus 3 comma 3.3 is the coordinate. If x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 7 minus of minus 2 by 3. 7 minus into minus plus 2 by 3. 7 plus 2 will be 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3. Minus 2 comma 3. Same manner, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7 minus of 0 by 3. That will be 7 by 3. That will be how much? 3 2s are 6.10. 3 3s are 2.3. So on you are going to get. So I can end up with 2.3, 0 comma 2.3. So like this, you need to complete the calculation part beside the graph sheet. Okay, calculation is very important and your answer will be minus 2 comma 3. Now take a graph sheet, children. I am going to do roughly on a board. Take a graph sheet. two perpendicular lines and x-axis, y-axis. X, y, x dash, y dash. 0. Now x-axis scale, observe, -3, -2, 0, -3, -2, 0. Only negative side, it's enough for me. So -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, coming to your y scale, 4.5, 3, 0, 3.3. Okay, only positive scale is enough. So let me take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, no? That's it. So this side you will be having negative values. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And make sure scale compulsory, children. Scale on x-axis. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. I have taken only 1 unit, right? So adjust according to the table. Suppose your values are 50, 100, then your scale unit adjust for 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Okay, is this clear? Now let me plot these. -3, 4.5. -3, 4.5 somewhere here. -2, 3 here. 0, 0. And your line is like this. But you please do in your graph sheet. Okay, so please be careful. Mark here -3, 4.5. And this is -2, 3, 0, 0. And again write the line equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. With that, one linear equation in two variable graph is completed. One more equation. See the table coordinates. -3, 3.3. Somewhere here. -2, 3. And 0, 2.3. So your line will be like this. Okay. So the two lines are intersecting at -2, 3. Again write the coordinates for this. -3, 3.3. And this is 0, 2.3. Take a sharp pencil. Don't overwrite pencil. And here it is little dark as I am using with the chalk piece. So take a sharp and a dark pencil in graph sheet and don't erase more times. So like this, two lines, they are intersecting at a coordinate. From there, what you are going to do? Do perpendiculars, right? And now x is equal to -2, do in a box. Y is equal to 3, do in a box. And finally, after this calculation part, you need to write a sentence. What is that sentence? Therefore, the two pair of linear equations are intersecting graphically at a coordinate -2, 3, where x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 3. Therefore, the two pair of linear equations are intersecting graphically at -2, 3, that is x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 3. The pair of linear equations have only one solutions. If you want, you can write that statement also. Therefore, the two pair of linear equations are intersecting graphically at -2, 3, where x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 3. Like this, if you complete neatly, you are going to score 4 out of 4 marks. Okay. So this chapter is very, very important, children. Compulsory 1 mark will come, compulsory 2 marks, compulsory 3 marks, and 4 marks is compulsory. So practice more and more problems, and this complete chapter is solved by me. Each and every problem you can go to the playlist pair of linear equations, and this pair of linear equations chapter I have done each and every problem, and the graphs also I have done with my hand on a graph sheet. You can get a clear view how to do this in graph sheet. Okay, if you want to watch this, go to the playlist and see the pair of linear equations chapter. You can see all the videos from part 1 to ending. Okay, with this, I'm going to end this session. In our next session, I'm going to continue with another chapter in one shot. Thank you all.